In this video, let us understand how to make washing machine customer care project. So it's a software project. So here we'll show you the demonstration like how you can make this project step by step. Particularly now we are developed the project in Visual Basic with SQL Server, but you can still develop in Python or you can develop in Java or you can develop in a C Sharp. All options are open. First, let us look at the design. So what are things we can add in this particular project? So any customer care project basically to manage the customers. So you are a customer and you sold some product to them. So they purchase the product from you. So then they have a problem. So when they have a problem, naturally they need to call up and then tell there is a problem, how to solve it. So here we consider washing machine. So the product is washing machine. Right. Now when the problem with the washing machine, naturally we need to send the people over there. Like, so if this is a customer and they purchase particular model M1 and now they have problem. Okay. So now what happened? So we have employees in our company and we'll send the employee to this particular location and we'll ask them to rate the issues. So this employee has to complete the complaint and he has to close the complaint. So this is the major idea in the customer care. In some other type of companies where you just call and give a solution over a phone, that will do the job. Whereas this is a machine, naturally, people has to go there and then check it out. What is the problem, and they need to solve the problem. So in order to make this project, what are the forms you can do? So we'll start with the welcome screen. Then you can have a login form. Then you can have a MDA form. MDA for multiple document interface with menu. Okay, so menu will be there here. The next is company, which company it is. So if you are multing with the multiple washing machines, then you have to write the companies. If it's only one company, then no problem. You can write on the company and the model names here. So next is the product. What are the products are there? Then the customer detail. Then employee details. So with employee detail, we'll take one more qualification and destination, two forms. So qualification, what are the entries are done, it should automatically come over here. Destination, what are the one you enter. So two fields, okay. So therefore you use a list box in the employee form, so that we'll call them here. So this is employee. Next is the complaint, customer complaint. So once you have the complaint, you can assign the employee to complaint. Assign employee to the complaint. So based on that, we generate the reports. So in reports, you can have an employee list, then complaint list, then assign list, who are all assigned to which complaint. These are the things actually. So now put together it's around 15 forms. So therefore for a small project you'll do the job. So it is a database project or VB.NET project or a mini project. So what are the project as per your curriculum you're supposed to do? So you can always choose this project and you can always do so. So as I told already, you can write this in a VB.NET, you can write in C Sharp, you write in Java. You also can able to write it in Python. So if you know any of these languages, you can try to write in this particular language. Okay. So now let's see the demo. So here we're using Visual Studio 2019 and here are the forms. So whenever you add a form, so give the proper name to them. So instead of form 1, form 2, form 3, here you have to give the correct name. Then if you give the names, you can see that all the forms will be something like this. So we'll start with a flash screen. So this is a flash screen and here there is a background image. There is a property called as a background image property. So back color and the background image. So here to browse and then you need to select the picture. That is the first step. Then you need to add a timer here and timer 1000, that is 1 second, and you have to enable true and you need to write this code here. Then it will take to the login form. So in login you need to log into the your program. So in order to log in, we written this code. So there is a table called as a login table. In that username and password should be there. So we'll compare what are the entries are done. It will be compared, and if it's okay, then it will take to the MDA parent. That is the next form. So once you go to MDA parent, here is MDA parent, and here is a menu. Right, here is the title. So here company details, area names, qualification, destination. These are called as the master entries. This is a one-time entries. If you complete it, only if New entries comes, then only can enter, otherwise these will do the job. Then the product details, here you have to enter the product details, then employee details, complaints, work assigned. Right. Now if you take the company details, okay, so these are the fields in the company name, address, phone number, email, and then website. If you take area names, there are two fields, area name and the covering area. So if you look at the code, when you click the save button, we'll check whether you enter the text box one data or not. Then we'll check whether this particular name what you enter, it's already there in the database or not. If not in database, then we'll insert the data to the table. Then there is a display record. This is to display the records in the grid view. And when you double click on the grid view, so you want to send back the data to the text box 1 and text box 2. For this is the code. So this is to modify and this is to delete the record. So along with the message, okay, it will ask the message, do you want to delete? If you say yes, then it's going to delete the record from the particular table. Okay, so this is a complaint table. So this is a text box. This is the date time picker. So if you want date time picker, you have to go there. So you can see that this is a date time picker. So it's already selected. Press escape to deselect it. The rest of them are text box, and this one is a comma box. This one is a comma box, and this is a text box 4. So you want to make it multi-line, then you have to click on this arrow. There you have to select the multi-line. Then you can able to enter the multi-line data. Right, now let's run this project. So this is the welcome screen. So here you have to log in. After that, it will take you to the MDA form. So here is a menu. So company details. So we already have entered the company detail. Then next is the area names. So which are the areas we cover? That areas you have to write. So I'll just write Vijayanagar. Then save this. Then we have qualification and designation for the employees. Only two fields are there here. So that you need to enter. Right. So these are the 4 forms, master entry forms. Now here is the product details. Here to give the summation name. So now I'll give IFB 8 kg steam. So that's the one product. Sorry, it's 8 kg, not 2 kg. Steam, okay. So price is 55,000 rupees. 66, okay. Specification automated and all the specification you have to read, and warranty. So let's say 5 years warranty. So this was the one product. Next, employee details. Here you have to click new button and enter all the employee details. So we suggest you please watch some more videos on our channel. So because we have many VB.NET projects. So in some projects we already enter some data like employee data. So employee form is almost like in every project. So therefore we already shown in the beginning projects like how to enter the data. And also in each project we'll explain some concept. Therefore if you are interested to make project, please watch some more videos in our channel and then learn how to make the project and then start doing yourself. Learn yourself how to make the coding. So that will help for your curriculum as well as your future job. So once your graduation is get over, you want to get into job, so you should know like how to write your own. Therefore in that way our projects are definitely help you, and make a project ready, keep it in a laptop. When you go for interview, demonstrate them in the interview also. That definitely give you much more mileage and you have a good chance to be get selected. Okay, next is the complaint. So here the customer who purchased this, they'll call you. So customer name, so let's say Raj, then address. So take the complete address, area, it's in Vijayanagar, and product code. Okay, so this is 8 kg stream complaint. Okay, so it is not running. Maybe some problem. Okay, electrical problem is not running. So that's what the complaint is registered, and you can see that sometime we'll get this error. This is due to date and time error. So here we have a field called as a date field. The value will come, but it need to be formatted here. So you need to write toString ddmmm yyyy should be formatted. Then I'll take the control back to the beginning location. So from here I want to execute it again. So in execute this, So we'll save the record. Now complaint is filed. So now we need to assign the employee to this complaint, and that employee has to go and solve the problem. So it's not working, it show there here. REGM, so there is a customer and scheduled on what date he has to go. Let's check next Monday. Instruction, check all wiring and other things you need to check. Remark, so no charges. So the complaint is assigned, again save. So here is the date, so it need to be formatted. Now the complaint is assigned for the particular employee. Employee has to take care and he has to solve the complaint. So based on that we have reports. Here is a list of employees, all the employees working here. And then complaints, what are the complaints filed during this period. And you can also take the printout here. So we have separate video like how to take the printout, what the code you have to write. So please watch our channel and you'll get a lot of videos here. You can also learn the complete VB.NET over here. Right. So this is the reports, three reports, and this is the work and this is the complaint. Okay. So these are the main things which covered in this particular project. So now you know the complete design, like how to do this. So you need to plan. So what are the things you want to add up in this project, and then start writing the code. So any doubts, let us write in the comment box. Let me know what you're thinking. So if any way you can help you, let me try it out. So and also if you go to our channel, so that is iBlix tutorials. If you click on videos, you can see that a lot of videos we already uploaded over here. So particularly VB.NET concern, we already have a videos to how to make login form, how to make MDI parent. Here is a login form, here is a MDI parent. And also like you must have to learn SQL. SQL is very important. So learn SQL, particularly insert statement, update, delete, and select statement. So all you can learn via these two videos. And apart from this, there are more videos here related to the project. Please watch them when you're free. If you know more, like because you should have ability to solve the problem. So when you go to company tell you do this kind of stuff. Therefore, you need to do that particular project in the corresponding language. You should know how to do that. So therefore, keep watch more videos. Then you'll come to know like, okay, this is the way I can solve the problem. So we also provided many videos here like how you can solve the problem. So definitely it'll help you. So keep watch and also please subscribe to our channel and let me know if you have any doubts. And if you're looking for some synopsis and all, so you please go to our website iblix.com. So here if you go there and so a list of projects, you can search for the whatever the one you want, Control F. So this is warehouse, sorry, customer care, right? This is the customer care management. So we have different video, documents over here. So you can download here. So click download to download the document. You'll get this. Sometimes so there is a mismatch in the documents, so don't worry. So you please write down 3-4 video documents. So one or the other one definitely will help you. Based on that, you have to prepare whatever the way you want. Okay, so try this. So in case if you're looking for the some synopsis, some documents and all. So and also Python related projects you want. So you can see that we listed many projects over here. And you want to know what exactly this project will do. So we have explanation over here. So what this project is, what we can do in this, all is provided over there. And you want any projects, you can also contact us. So we can get you the projects with a competitive pricing. So if you are looking for some project, let me know this. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. And please subscribe to our channel and also suggest our channels to your friends. Thank you.